Adding images to your Mailchimp emails can enhance visual appeal and engagement. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Create or edit a campaign. Click on Campaigns and either create a new campaign by clicking Create Campaign or select an existing campaign to edit. Access the email builder. Click Design Email to enter the email builder where you can customize your email content. Add an image content block. In the content section on the right, drag and drop the image content block to the desired location in your email layout. Upload or select an image. Click on the image block to open the Content Studio. You can upload a new image from your computer by clicking Upload or select an existing image from your Mailchimp library. Once uploaded or selected, click Insert to add the image to your email. Customize image settings. Use the editing tools to resize, align, and add alt text to your image. You can also add a link to the image by clicking the link icon and entering the URL. Save and preview. After making adjustments, click Save and Close. Preview your email to ensure the image displays correctly and looks good on different devices. Test and send. Send a test email to yourself to confirm everything is working correctly. Once satisfied, finalize and send your campaign.